Let's check the difference between the words weather with the spelling W-E-A-T-H-E-R and weather with the spelling W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Well, weather W-E-A-T-H-E-R means the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time, including temperature, humidity, cloudiness, wind, precipitation, and other meteorological conditions. Examples: the weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. Here, the speaker is referring to the atmospheric condition. I love walking in sunny weather. Here, the speaker is talking about the state of the atmosphere. In Hindi, it means mausam. Now what about W-H-E-T-H-E-R weather? Well, it's a conjunction used to introduce a choice between two or more alternatives or to indicate uncertainty or doubt. Examples: I'm not sure whether I'll go to the party or stay home. Here, the speaker is expressing uncertainty about a choice. Do you know whether the restaurant is open on Sundays? Here, the speaker is asking about a choice or alternative. In Hindi, it means chahe. Now, key differences between these two words. First, in terms of meaning. W-E-A-T-H-E-R weather refers to atmospheric conditions, while W-H-E-T-H-E-R weather refers to a choice or uncertainty between alternatives. Next, in terms of usage. W-E-A-T-H-E-R weather is used to describe meteorological conditions, while W-H-E-T-H-E-R weather is used to introduce a choice or express uncertainty. Next, in terms of context, W-E-A-T-H-E-R weather is often used in discussions about the environment, outdoor activities, or travel, while W-H-E-T-H-E-R weather is often used in decision making, questioning, or expressing doubt.